Is it possible to unlock iPhone without a password or facial recognition? The short answer is yes. In this guide, we will dwell on how to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID in 6 pleasant ways. Tip 1. How to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID via iOS Unlock No limits. Can you unlock an iPhone without the password or any other requirements? Consider picking a trustworthy tool such as iOS Unlock. This utility is capable of unlocking the screens of all iOS devices. Tip 2. How to unlock iPhone without Face ID or passcode via security lockout. If you find yourself in a situation where you have forgotten your iPhone passcode and do not have access to a computer, the most straightforward method to unlock your iPhone is by using the Erase iPhone feature. Tip 3. How to unlock iPhone without password or Face ID with Find My app. The camera on an iPhone is designed for capturing photos and videos, and it doesn't have the capability to unlock the device. Yet, with the built-in Find My app, it's possible to bypass the password and fix iPhone unavailable. Tip 4. How to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID via iCloud.com. Another way to unlock your iPhone is by performing the new iPhone unlocking from iCloud Web. However, it's important to note that you must have previously enabled the Find My app and allowed access to your device's location. Tip 5. How to bypass iPhone Face ID and passcode via iTunes. If you have entered an incorrect password multiple times, you will receive a message stating, iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. Apart from the methods we mentioned, you also have the option to bypass the password via iTunes. Tip 6. How to open iPhone without passcode or Face ID by Apple support. If you're uncomfortably unlocking your iPhone on your own, you can contact Apple or visit an Apple store for assistance. Additional tip. How to configure Face ID with mask on iPhone iOS 15.4 or newer. With the introduction of the Face ID using the mask feature in iOS 15.4 or subsequent versions, unlocking your iPhone has become a breeze, even while wearing a mask.